yield to her?
What's with you? It's my baby we're talking about here. An infant. She's done me no wrong. She has done us no wrong. She has done the world wrong. And the subject matter is a baptism in church.
Toby, I don't know what to say.
Well, first of all, tell me you're not angry.
I said take those goggles
off. What's your problem with the goggles? How does that affect you? I don't understand this baseless argument.
Excuse me? Hold on. Did you just say baseless arguments?
Yes.
Myself.
It's meant for yes. Why do you want me to remove those?
I said remove those things.
I will not remove it. I'm sorry.
You're not removing it.
What will you do? Will you hit me again? Or you will rape me again? What will you do? What's the worst you can do?
Excuse me, are you talking to me like that?
Yes.
Did you just talk to me like that? Did you just fucking talk to me like that? Did you just talk to me like that?
Dave.
Did you talk?
Dave. Dave.
You get Dave.
Good afternoon, ma. Who was that? Is he your husband?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Sorry, okay? Pull yourself together. Stop crying. My drivers will take you home, okay? Stop crying.
Thank you.
Sorry, what's your name?
Maureen.
My name is Olisa. Olisemeka. Are you hot? Emma, come. Use this car, yeah. Take her to any nearby clinic. Make sure she is okay, then you take her home. Is that okay?
Okay, my prince.
Don't worry, I'll drive myself. Give me the key. Ma, we'll take you to clinic, then after that he'll take you home.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Just stop crying, okay? Let's pick up, okay? Emma.
This is not the love I hoped for. Somebody tell me, why is this? Why is this happening to me? Why is this? This is not the man I longed for. Somebody tell me, why is this? Why is this happening to me? Why is this? This is not the home I longed for. Somebody tell me, why is this? Why is this happening to me? Why is this happening to me?
Oh,
Sorry, darling. Are you saying it's going to be okay?
Yeah, it's gonna be okay. But you have to use your drugs and the ointment first. Then maybe you come back in 4 days. Let me see how it is.
She come back in 4 days.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What's the problem? You're not yourself at all. What's going on?
I witnessed a man molest the wife today when I went to the city, to an extent of throwing her out of the car.
Oh, that's wickedness.
Well, after everything, I asked him out to take her to the hospital.
Oh, that's so kind of you. I'm happy you were able to help her.
Thank you, Mom.
Have you had anything to eat?
No, not really. Actually, I'm not hungry.
Come on. She will be fine, okay? She will be fine. You can actually send a man to check up on her. Okay? Come on, will you eat now?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, let me tell them to serve you, okay? Alright then. Okay.
Nine, you didn't answer your daughter's greeting.
Do I have to expend 21 gold salute to answer her? Do I have to do that?
See, Papa, I don't even care if you respond to my greeting or not. As you can see, I was already on my way out.
Are you talking to me that way?
Why would I talk to you like that, Papa? Why would I not talk to you like that? When you came to my house, what did you do? Did you confront Dave or you confronted the chicken and the wine he gave to you?
Look at you. When I came to confront Dave, Dave confronted me with chicken. I had no choice than to confront back.
Mama, I'm on my way. I'll call you back when I get. I'll call you.
Tell me, is it an abomination to the dark chicken, the Jew chicken? Mata chicken, the chicken. It's my son-in-law. Eh? You look around it. Move with that chicken. I don't care. If he gives me a second chicken, I will eat. You not call him. I will eat more. But Dave, if I come again, give me more chicken. I want to eat chicken and live long. I told me eat that chicken. Ndi ba wo no na ro na siko giri. Na come on just chicken.
Maureen. Who is Maureen? Oh, the lady you met the other time. No, she's better.
Yeah, she's fine. I'm thinking about inviting her to the palace.
Okay, that's a wonderful idea. As long as that animal will not kill her for that.
No, not for sure. She can take care of herself.
Well, it's okay. Whenever she's coming, just let me know so that I can instruct the cook on what to do.
Okay. Keep you posted.
Okay.
Mom, how did your meeting with the women go today?
Those women are trouble. Big trouble.
I can imagine.
Well, I'll continue talking.
Yeah.
I just pray one day one of them will understand.
Yeah. here to say thank you.
Come and hug me. Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you. You're welcome. I came to say thank you for saving my life.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You're welcome.
How's your family?
They're doing well.
Thank God. Please get up, get up, get up.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sorry for keeping you standing. Sit.
No. There's no point sitting. Just take her around. Let her feel free.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, my dear.
All right, my dear.
Okay.
That's good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Where are the clothes I told you to pick up from the dry cleaners?
Oh, I forgot the receipt. I'll pick them up tomorrow.
Repeat to yourself again.
I said I forgot.
Jesus! Huh? Wait, I told you to pick up clothes? And you're telling me what? Are you talking to me? Did you just tell me? No, seriously, did you just tell me that? That's what you're telling me? That's what you're telling me? Wait, did you just talk to me that way? No, seriously, did you talk to me that way? Did you? Huh? Did you just tell me that? Huh? Wait, you just pick up. You just tell me that.
Who did this to you? No, don't. Please sit down.
Is he not the same man?
Then he should be locked up.
It's a long story. It's complicated.
No matter how complicated the story is, at least we would like to hear it.
Of course. I don't understand. If he treats you so badly, what are you still doing with him?
My daughter is the reason I'm staying. I can't leave her.
How old is she?
Maureen, listen. You must not kill yourself because you want to protect your daughter. You can as well live with her.
You know what? I'll get somebody to clean you up, okay? Afoma!
This is not the man I longed for. Somebody tell me why is this? Why is this?
Go. Who is he?
Please don't start. He's just a friend.
A friend? Or your boyfriend you brought into my home? It's gotten to that level where you bring men into my house, isn't it?
With due respect.
Hey, will you just shut up. I'm not talking to you, okay? My prince, can I handle this? A prince? You actually brought a prince into my house. Wait, hold on. Is this the part where I get to kneel down or bow down to you? Your Royal Highness? Huh? I want to get into the house! Now listen to me. Are you still there? Now listen to me. By the time I'm out of that house dealing with that female, you would have taken yourself, your jester, and your royal toy out of my house. Do you understand me? Prince, my ass.
You're not supposed to be a man. Thank God. You finally picked. I've been calling you all day. So what happened?
Nothing serious. Just the usual beatings. Yeah. Well, my ear still hurts rather badly. He seized my phone. He just gave it back to me this morning.
Please, can Emma come and pick you up?
Yes, of course. That man should be picked up for abusing and molesting that innocent little girl.
My hands are tied, Mom. My hands are tied. You know, they are still married, so I don't know how to go about it.
But why don't you just pay her a visit, at least to be sure she's okay?
I have sent Emma to pick her up.
That's very thoughtful of you. At least let her breathe some fresh air before she goes back to that animal.
Thank you for your concern, Mom.
You see, I'm beginning to take her like my own child. My regards to her.
Okay, I will tell her.
I went out. I couldn't get a taxi early enough. I did a bit of trekking, but I'm home now.
So what are you trying to say? Are you indirectly trying to tell me that I did not buy you a car?
No. Not at all. I am directly telling you that you bought a car for your girlfriend on her birthday a few months back. Today happens to be my own birthday. Not even a happy birthday from me. My own husband. Good night. I want a divorce.
What did you just say?
I said I want a divorce.
What did you just say? Huh?
I said I want a divorce.
Repeat it again.
I want a divorce.
you've ever said. You want a divorce? Darling, you will have a divorce. Do you understand? Wait. Do you want that divorce today, tomorrow? No, you better be today, okay? So I'm going right now to celebrate our divorce with my boys. Thank you for divorcing me. Best thing you've ever done. Divorce! These bags? Who owns the bags? Are you on holiday?
Good evening, Papa.
Is that the answer to my question? Who owns these bags?
I left Dave and Princess.
And so what?
Hey, Maureen. No. Welcome. Let's go inside.
Which inside? My own house. It cannot work. Carry these bags back to the taxi. Go back to your husband.
Hey,
Right away.
what's up, Ronaldo? Even ask your daughter what happened. All you after is that she should enter the taxi and go back.
What will make her riches?
She's not going anywhere.
She will go.
Yeah, let's go.
Carry the bags back to the taxi. Go away with this taxi.
What's up, Brando? Oh, but I have 9 months from Deva.
And so what?
She's not going. Let's go inside.
Are you in your father's house?
She's not going anywhere.
Come and carry these bags back to the taxi.
Go inside.
Oh, yeah.
She's not going anywhere.
Taxi driver, come on.
Get him out.
Open your boot.
Like I said earlier, I have left Dave officially. I didn't want to involve both of you in the process because it was a mutual agreement.
Hey! So I have become so irrelevant that my daughter could go through a divorce process without telling me her father? Eh? Is it right?
Papa Maureen, leave all this. They both got tired of the marriage.
Oh, so you give the instruction for her to abandon the marriage and come home?
Eh?
You see it? Look at all the secret meetings you had. Look at the result now. Illegal advisor, you have failed. You have failed. Can you see it? Look at it.
You have to be strong, okay? You know your father.
Good morning.
Yeah, it's not okay by me. I didn't sleep last night. Is there no way you go and bring her back? Let her come and stay with me. Yeah, I mean, it's only me. Eh? It's only me and your father.
Mama, you know Dave refused for me to leave the house with Princess. The only agreement was that I can see her anytime I want to. I don't know what I'm going to do about it.
How is she going to cope? Who is going to feed her and all that? Eh? Can you go and say, Mama, for a fool? Think a worm child, what I'm
My friends, it is now 6 months since your father's last ofala was performed. I want to inform you that the time is ripe for your own coronation as the next Igwe. But there is a part of that ceremony. Dikeh. I don't know if you have been informed.
I'm all ears on all.
In Umuacha Kingdom, no prince becomes an Igwe without first of all becoming properly married.
Just in case you have a wife overseas, it is time to let us know.
My elders, I'm still single.
Wait. My prince, are you telling us that after all these years overseas, none of those white women was able to track him down, talk the talk, oh no?
Shall we find a wife for you, or do you do it by yourself?
Elders, at this age and time, no. It's my responsibility to find my own wife.
Then do so and we take off from there.
Thank you, my elders. I will get back to you as soon as possible.
Please, you can do it soon, my friends.
This house belongs to me. Hence, you're no longer allowed in here. Get out.
The house may be yours for now, but that baby inside there is my daughter and I have the right to see her whenever I choose.
Count today off. Kazim!
Doris,
this thing out.
Doris, you have absolutely no right whatsoever to stop me from seeing my daughter.
Can you hear me? Did you hear what I just said now?
Don't try me, Doris. Do not just try me. Doris!
Doris!
Cousin, this bag is for Princess.
Son, how are you preparing for the coronation? I hope you will not disappoint us.
Mom, you know me. I won't. I'm only bothered about this marriage issue. Mother, between you and I, are you ready for your daughter-in-law and grandchildren now?
What else can a mother ask for? I am ready. I cannot wait. Have you found someone?
Yes.
So what are we still waiting for? When will I see her?
Soon. Very, very soon.
Son, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Well, I came to find out why you allowed the marriage to collapse. You know. Anyway, it's according to original plan. I have fulfilled my own part of the agreement.
Yes, you see, the odds were against us, and the marriage couldn't have lasted anyways.
Well, what do I have to say? Especially when the head is off. Yep. How is the princess coping?
She's coping well. She's coping well. She's adjusting to her mother's absence.
She is, yes. Okay. Thank God. I didn't hear from you again about that land matter. You didn't call me again. I mean, with regards to the money you promised me.
Oh, okay. That one. It's no problem. You'll hear from me in that regard, yeah?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Let me get you something.
Go ahead. Nibalo. Why no one can see you?
Hurry, get up. So he even invited you to come and welcome his wife to you. How is your family?
Mom, she's the woman I want to marry.
You're joking, right?
No, Mom. I don't worry too much. I want to marry her.
What was that disgraceful?
I don't understand, Mom. What are you talking about?
So you want to marry someone else's wife? You told me that girl was married, remember?
Yes, I know, Mom.
Good. And what are you still doing with her?
On point of correction. She was married to Dave, but now they are separated. They are divorced.
So, you want to bring in a second hand as a wife? Is that the kind of person to inherit my position in this palace?
Mother, this is 23rd century. The world has passed that stage. Besides, the tradition says I should be a married man for me to become the next Igwe. Never said I should not get married to a divorced woman. Mother, Maureen is a nice person. Give her a chance and you will like her. Please, Mother, please.
Ulisemeka.
Yes, Mom.
You will not marry her. You will not.
Maureen, pull yourself together, okay? Everything will be fine. She's your daughter, so nobody has the right to deny you access to your daughter.
That was what we agreed. But it's alright, I'll be fine. Aren't you coming down?
I want to rush to somewhere, then I'll come back and see you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, your father is here.
Ah!
Good evening, Papa.
Good evening. The prince himself. Ah! Prince, you come to my compound?
Good day, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Ah, you're welcome. Yes, sir. You're welcome. Have you taken him to the house?
No.
Let's go and offer him cola.
No. Papa, he was just about to leave.
Actually, I was leaving.
Yeah.
Okay. When do you visit us next? Let's know. So
soon. Very soon, sir.
Papa, he will come very soon.
Let it be soon.
Yes, very soon.
Very soon, please.
Yes,
sir.
Eh? Oh, how did I miss this opportunity? Ah, Prince. Hey.
Wow, let's run.
I won't give you money.
Just
prince could have given me money for snuff. At least money for snuff, a good taba. Why did I delay where I was coming from? Hey, oh. Be good taba, money for snuff. Hey! Come here the other day.
What do you mean, what about it? Why are you such a killjoy? Eh? Are you not able to see light at the end of this tunnel? The fact that the prince came to my house is a blessing in cash and in kind. What are you talking about? Please join me in saying hallelujah.
I don't blame you. Hopeless man.
Hi. Well, whatever you said, God has answered our prayers. Where is Maureen?
Which Maureen? Wait for the prince to come so that you ask him. Don't I will say looking for you again.
How are you, Mama? How are you feeling now?
I'm fine. It's just the weather.
Okay. First thing tomorrow morning, I will send somebody to come and take you to the clinic, okay?
Thank you. Thank you, my prince.
You're welcome. I want to ask Maureen something. Maureen, do you trust me? Do you trust me enough to stand by me? Said I have just 1 month to get married, then prepare myself for the coronation.
Well, son, I don't know what you want me to tell you. But if you insist on marrying that woman, then count me out.
Is that it? Then count me out of the coronation. Next week, I will return to the States. But first thing tomorrow morning, I will go talk to Noah.
I'm not against your choice of a marriage partner. But it's just this divorce thing that is not too good for the reputation of the palace and the throne.
Mother, might now the father of my son.
When are we taking the list?
Please, I want to know who is delaying my happiness. Huh? Is it you or the prince? So I know where to channel my appeal.
Papa, are you the one marrying the prince or I'm the one marrying him?
It could be you, it could be me, or your mother. Whoever it is, let the person fast forward it. Let's not have the prince change his mind on me to lose my inheritance.
Hey, don't mind your father. Do what you have to do at your own pace too.
Even before the prince proposed, I had given my consent. So what are you waiting for?
Mama, I'm not in the mood to listen to this. Please.
Okay. Oh, it is the prince who is taking you to... Okay, let me go and change my clothes so I can accompany you.
Why are you looking for trouble? Why?
Ndebalo, nkonu yulesugo. Nkonu yulesibo mmadu ozugo na anyuzu na ozo. Anyuzu na ozo ndebalo. Eh? Ani kuna ngani yesi? Ani mozo nukwasi. Na to kuja na yoga, mapela kenda. Ya to yoga pio. My problem now is how to get a good piece of land where Prince will build me a mansion. I am regretting selling my ancestral land, my only land. Eh? Even Jesus is...
What house are you talking about?
Oh, I've not told you. The prince wants to build a mansion for me. So he has asked me to go and look for a piece of land.
Huh? So you have a new house? You are very lucky in Sobondo.
Yeah. How are you sure that is true? You know how Sobondo manufactures stories.
You are talking about a house?
Yes.
He's even talking about buying me a car in addition. This kind of car called SUV, where you have AC, television, and refrigerator. Yes.
Sobondo, I don't know the last time you treated malaria. I will advise you to go and treat yourself.
It was true. Enemy of progress. You see, the way you are looking, you are suffering from a sickness called AMAECHI.
Me?
Yes. In that sickness, your face looks like that of a kidnapper. Then,
Sobondo, you are here. Your wife is dead. Your wife is dead.
My wife?
Nibalo.
My wife dead? No!
I suspect him.
No!
Ichi and Sobondo, I greet you.
You're welcome.
Ichi Sobondo, we're great.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ichi, please accept our sympathy. It is only God that has all the answers to every question.
But it's true. You're correct. You're correct. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ichi and Sobondo, please, do not consider as untimely.
What issue is that?
You know the tradition. 6 months after the Igwe has been buried, a new Igwe must be crowned.
According to our tradition.
I'm aware of that. What about it?
And so we have come to appeal to you. We have come to solicit your understanding to allow us perform the marriage rite between the prince and your daughter.
Yeah. I am part of tradition and will always be till tomorrow. But on the issue you raised, I am not alone. I belong to my kinsmen. What I will do is to consult them, then give you feedback. So let me advise that they come just in 2 days' time for the feedback. And
whatever they say, I will let you know in 2 days' time.
In 2 days' time?
Yes, 2 days' time.
Once again, thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you very much. All right then. Okay.
You are a man. Be that man that you are.
I have no choice.
You would live longer than our ancestors.
one? Yeah. Much as one? Yeah. Much as one? Yeah. Today is a great day in Umuacha Kingdom. A remarkable day and a memorable day. We all are gathered here today to bear witness of this great day. Let me have the crown. Yeah. This is the crown of kingship of Umuacha Kingdom. Umuacha kwenu? Yeah. I, the Okuneye Ini of Ogwoji, the great oracle of Umuacha Kingdom, I hereby hand you over this symbol of leadership, your staff of authority. To you. This is of for Umuacha. It will guide you in the path of truth. On this great day, I pronounce you the Igwe Ake Uchionwa, one of Umuacha Kingdom.
out. Gentlemen, please, let us and welcome His Royal Highness ERM, the first of Umuacha. Iwe Umuacha Queen. Yeah. Umuacha Queen. Yeah. Umuacha Queen. Yeah. Your Majesty, you are young and full of life. You have traveled far and wide and experienced. It is our prayer that you would bring all this to bear on the throne in your leadership of our community, in our lives and the life of our community. My chiefs, I greet you all. I thank you all for the support you have given to me and my family. And I promise every one of you that I will not disappoint this throne and I will not disappoint this kingdom.
Your Highness, I've been waiting patiently for you to do something for me as the father of your wife. Honestly, I was thinking that before now you should have been able to build for me a befitting house and even bought me a car. They are all in order. There are things in-law does for in-law.
My in-law, I don't see anything wrong with this house. Or is it leaking?
It's not leaking really, but
my in-law. See, I have lots of programs lined up for the benefit of the entire Umuacha community. As for the car, I will think about it.
This man is stingy. Onyama matauso ndebalo. Anyo haru na esiko gili. I'm sorry. I was just trying to absorb what.
Your Highness, I would like to have a little discussion with you.
Okay.
It's been 7 years into your marriage, and there's absolutely nothing to show for it. So I want to ask, when will the witch give me grandchildren? Or has she eaten up all the children in her womb?
Mother, same 7 years you have waited for grandchildren. It's the same years I have asked myself what went wrong between you and Maureen. You used to like her, Mom. You used to like her so much. All of a sudden, she became your nightmare. What do you have against her?
I don't have anything against her. Fine. I used to like her. But that was before I discovered that she was planning to ruin my home.
Maureen has done nothing wrong, Mother. She has done nothing wrong. And I married her, not the other way around.
That is the problem. You married her. Let her live up to her responsibilities and give me grandchildren.
How will they come? How will children come, Mother, when you have made it so difficult for them to come?
despite the circumstances surrounding her birth, she was still a blessing you gave to me. Now I'm ready for a child, God, please. Don't let my enemies laugh at me, please. Don't let them ask me, oh my God.
I will cry as big as the sea. But it's only God that gives children.
Don't let them ask me who my God is or where he is, God, please. Just one child, please.
All I want is just one child. I don't want God to rule the world. All I want
don't put my home, please. Bless me with a child, please.
just one child, someone to hold, to call me mama. All I want is just
Which? I was thinking that by now the scales you used in covering my son's eyes would have fallen off for him to know your true colors.
My queen,
Shut! Just shut that your mouth or I'll shut it for you. Oh. You're already adding more charms to your ears and your eyes, okay? To still hold my son, right? You have failed. You have failed!
Mama,
barren witch.
Mama, they're just drugs that I use for drops that I use for my.
Who did you call Mama? Who is your mother? Don't you ever call me Mama again. Witch! Barren witch! How else would I explain the fact that your mother died 2 weeks before your marriage? Listen, leave this palace in peace, or you give my son a child. The choice is yours.
Mama,
I don't want the moon, I don't want the stars. All I want is just one child. I don't want God to rule the world. All I want is just one child. I don't need cars, I don't need robots.
Your Highness.
Mother, leave my wife alone. Leave her alone.
I didn't touch your wife. I only told her the truth.
For God's sake, keep the truth to yourself. Keep it to yourself. Henceforth, I wouldn't want this incident to repeat itself. Leave her. Leave her alone, for God's sake.
Elisabeka, I will not leave her alone. I will not.
Daddy said that you are married to another man, that you are wicked and you are a witch.
He said all of that?
It's time.
Can I at least give her the bag?
What are you doing here? I've been looking for you everywhere. Is it because of my mom?
No.
I've told you everything. You're fine.
It's my ear.
Your ear? What happened? Oh, Jesus. I think the solution for this ear is surgery. I'm intending to fly you to the States. I'm sorry. Meanwhile, I was invited for traditional last meeting in Abuja tomorrow. So right now I need you to come help me pack my stuff. I'm so sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. Everything will be fine, okay?
Seriously. No, hold on. Just hold on. Hold on, mister. Hold on. What pranks are you playing now? What's the meaning of this? What are you actually telling me now? You know what? Hey, mister, just listen to me. You know what? I'm coming to your office right away. Alright?
Maureen! Maureen, open this door. I know you're in there. Maureen!
I'm not feeling too well, my queen.
Oh, you're not only a witch, but also a liar. Open the door. Maureen! Maureen, open. I'll break this door. Open the door. Maureen! Maureen! Open this door. Afoma! Angela! Where is it? Angela! You all are stupid! You are fools! Why did you clear that place? Get out! Move! Get out! Fools! Go and clear them! Stupid girls!
I put you my phone.
Who is this? What are you doing here? Have I not had enough of you and your miserable daughter in one day?
Sorry, my queen. I came to deliver a message to my daughter.
How am I sure you're not the one giving her the charms she's been using on my son?
With due respect, my queen, it's a dangerous allegation.
You are actually talking back at me. Throw him out of here.
Okay.
These people are mean. Nothing will come out of this marriage for me.
I really don't understand this.
How?
These are Lebanese people I have been dealing with. I've known them for 7 months now. The first year of business we did, they gave me the goods on credit, which I paid them at the stipulated time, no problem. Now, since I noticed that the gains were good, I decided to expand my horizon by making the business a whole lot larger. Now, I emptied my bank account, sent them the money ahead of time. As we speak now, I can't get to them. Their phone numbers don't go through. My people in Lebanon cannot get to them. The Nigerian embassy in Lebanon can't even locate them.
See, Dave, put yourself together. Give yourself time and you'll pick up again.
You don't understand how. How can I lose everything I've slaved for in one day? Everything I've worked for in one day?
You lost everything, but you didn't lose your life. Your life is that's the important thing. Oh? You'll pick up again.
Oh? It's okay. How is it going to be? How are we going to survive? You're telling me it's okay. How do we survive?
People have lost more than that before, but they are still alive. Oh? Hey! Ndebalo, anyuaru mesikogiri.
Dave, that is the money I asked you so that I can go to the dry cleaner to collect our clothes.
Look, babe, right now I don't have money, okay? Even at the bank, it's a zero balance. You go use your own money and, you know, get the clothes yourself.
When did I start picking up our clothes from the dry cleaner with my money?
How about now? Please, I'm not in a good frame of mind right now. Like I said, I am broke, okay? So use your money, get the clothes, I'll reimburse you later.
With what? With what, Dave?
What is wrong with you? Why are you sounding like this? I was talking about little money for the dry cleaners.
Little money? Give it to me. Give the money to me.
What is this? Why are you sounding like this?
Why? Maybe you should go and tell them yourself that you don't have money so they can give the clothes to me on credit.
Seriously, the way things are right now, we are broke, alright? I am broke since you're depending on me, and as it is, look, we can't afford that luxury. We just have to be washing our clothes ourselves.
We are young, we just have to do it this way. I wash my clothes, you wash yours. Please, we can't afford that luxury anymore.
You'll be doing the washing yourself. You wash our clothes. That is your job in this house. You're not serious.
Your Highness.
What is it? What do you want to do?
I want to eat.
Wow. So you can actually come down to eat. Well, this food is for people around. Not for people that lock themselves up in their quarters. So drop the plate and go. Go and lock yourself up in your room and continue eating your junk.
Babe, I'm waiting for you. Come on.
For what?
For my food, of course.
The food is in the kitchen. Go and get it.
And?
If you want it so much, go and dish the food yourself.
What? Now I have to ask you this. What's with you? Huh? What's with this your new attitude? Is it because of the little financial setback I have presently? Is it?
Why can't you just understand that I am tired? How can I go to the market to buy the stuffs with my money, come to the house, cook the food, and you expect me to serve you? What is wrong with you?
You know what? Go out and look for somewhere to eat. Do you understand me?
And I hope you're not going with my car.
Excuse me?
Because the only car in this house is my car. Maybe you have forgotten.
Thank you.